I'm just going to do a very brief introduction. I'm Philip Marris, the host of this event, but Bill's going to do all the talking.
Not all.
Some of you know me in business, and I say to nearly sort of 99.9% of my clients that you're spending, the managers, the middle and top managers, are spending too much time in execution, doing the jobs of their subordinates, and not spending enough time thinking about and preparing the future. So that conflict between the short term and the long term that any manager has is very systematically pushed down towards the short term, and that's not good. And when we try and get people to think further about the long term, what I find fascinating is that often people realize they don't actually know what their goal is. Okay, I didn't realize that really until I met Bill and started thinking about these things, and we drew our own goal tree for the company. But it's strange. What is it? The world is changing faster and faster. The Trumpism and so forth means you don't actually know the world is going to look like in a few years' time. So that means you have to think maybe harder than you used to what the goal should be. And behind the goal, maybe you are exceptions, but often we have vision statements and that sort of thing for a company. We're going to be nice with our clients and do some nice products and stuff. That doesn't actually give you much of a indication of what you should be doing on a day-to-day basis. So under that overall goal, the critical success factors are also interesting to be explicit and clear and logical and complete and exhaustive and coherent and whatever. And again, I didn't really realize that until I started working with Bill and tried to do it for my own company, and I realized that there were bits missing or obvious assumptions that were there but were not there. So here we are. And finally, I'm an engineer and a businessman. I thought I was logical, and I found out I wasn't at all logical. And it's a real pain to be logical, which is kind of strange, isn't it? Well, I hope you'll be as changed as I am following today's course.